Hi there guys, welcome to another YouTube video from Ross Perry Productions. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the air conditioning cabin filter on a 2019 Toyota Hilux. Now to do this we have to come over to the left hand side or the passenger's side of the vehicle, and we're going to open up the glove box fully. Now what you'll notice is on the left and on the right there is some tabs. We're just going to go ahead, give that a turn and pull that out. So a bit hard to do this one-handed for the second one. But there you go, and then once they're off, it actually allows you to fully lower the glove box. Now for the sake of the video, I'm just going to show you how to pull the glove box off, which is just to give it a pull from the hinges. And behind the glove box, you'll actually see this cap here. So the cap has number 3 on it, and it has an arrow pointing up with the word up next to it. So what we're going to do is come over to the left hand side, just give those 2 tabs a squeeze, and you can take off that cap, which looks like that. And then that will actually expose your cabin air conditioning filter. So just notice it also says up with the arrow, replace only, and it's got text on one side of the filter. So give that a pull. Now as you can see, this one's pretty filthy, so I'm going to recommend that this one's actually changed. However, for the sake of the video, we'll just go ahead and put it back in. So again, just remembering the text faces outwards and the arrow faces up. Just push it all the way in, making sure it goes to the back of the filter box. Get your lid from earlier, making sure the up is facing the right way. Send it over to the right hand side where the 2 tabs meet the box, and then give that a push shut. Now once that's done, we just can go ahead and return our glove box. So again, just line up the hinges and give it a push, and you'll feel it click in like so. And then we're going to go ahead and put these stoppers back in. Now the stoppers can only go in one way, so just make sure you get the tabs in the right direction. Like I say, a bit hard to do one-handed when you're filming. Nice and easy. And then you can close your glove box. So there you go, that's how easy it is to remove and replace your cabin air conditioning filter on a 2019 Toyota Hilux. If you found this video helpful, please do give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.